What is up, you guys? Thick 335i back here, and I know I made an exhaust video before, but it's just kind of a little bit of a clips. So this video, what this is going to be about, it's going to be about kind of like driving clips, so like you guys actually know what it sounds like while I'm driving. I know some of you guys didn't like the sound of it very much, but that's just what you think. You can feel whichever you feel, like doesn't matter to me. But this is I'm gonna compare the stock exhaust of the 335i to the straight pipe that I have now. I have GoPro clips from both because I knew I'd probably need them in the future. So I'm just gonna put stock exhaust clips first, driving clips, and then I'll put the straight pipe exhaust right after. I personally think the straight pipe while driving and under load sounds 100% better than the stock exhaust. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those clips in now. So this first clip is gonna be the stock exhaust. still think the straight pipe just sounds so much better, especially with the pops and the burbles that it gives you. I do have stock down pipes. All I have is a resonator delete and a muffler delete. So that will kind of, deleting the resonator will kind of get you those more pops. That's why it pops a little bit more than just a straight pipe. So I know I said I'm going to be releasing the H&R Sports Springs and the spacers video. I already put the spacers on. Completely forgot to do a video about that. But with the H&R Springs and the charge pipe that I have, still haven't gotten those on. I've just been super busy. I haven't really had the time to dedicate a whole day, maybe even 2 days to installing those. But if you guys want to see those, comment, like this video, subscribe, just so I know you guys are interested in getting those videos and seeing those videos. And then if this video hits maybe about 25 likes or 30 likes, I will go ahead and be for sure to get that done within the next month, and also make a video on that. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and drop a thumbs up, subscribe. More videos coming soon. Peace out.